All right, now let's go ahead and implement this application layer over here, and let's collapse this and basically expand this, and let's delete this. We don't need this, and what we're going to do here is like so this is the place where we'll be implementing command and query segregation, right? So before that, what we are going to need is like, of course, the Nuget packages to implement this mediator pattern in here, and this mediator is going to have obviously going to implement the CQRS thing in place, right? So this is called command query, responsibility segregation, and that is what we are going to need here. And let's go ahead and add this mediator, and let's go ahead and grab that latest one. And now once this is done, we are also going to have certain more things. Let's say we might need this auto mapper, and let's have this, and let's say auto mapper itself, let's go ahead and do plus on that. And then we might also need that fluent validation in case we are going to have certain validation over there on the API layer itself. So let's add that as well. So once we added these things, now what we can do here is we can simply go ahead and create certain folder structure first of all. And the first folder structure which we are going to have here is, let's go ahead and create this command itself. Let's add a directory over here, and let's say commands. We are going to need all the queries as well, so let's have this queries, and let's have its handlers, and then let's have its responses, which is going to be mapped, like what needs to be returned over here. So that's what response is going to come here. And we have this commands, handlers, queries. We are also going to need these mappers here, right? So let's go ahead and add these mappers, and because that's the place where we are going to do the mapping part there. Let's go ahead and add that. All right, so now let's say this folder structure is complete. So what we can do next is we can get started with its command and queries implementation. So let's do that in the next clip itself.